Here we have a Volkswagen Tiguan Allspace, Match Edition, 2 litre, TDI, 150 PS, DSG. Now as you can see, the car is in great condition and it comes with many features. These include adaptive cruise control with front assist, tinted rear windows, automatic LED headlights and an electronic parking brake with autohold. It also comes with 19-inch Victoria Falls alloy wheels, as well as the option of 2 additional seats in the back or a spacious boot. The interior includes 3-zone climate control, wireless app connect and a Bluetooth phone integration system with USB. For more information on this fantastic car, as well as many others, feel free to phone, email or pop into Western Volkswagen Nürnberg.